Hello, Les. Assad over here from GoFleet Corporation.
Hi, Les Anderson, Cascades Recovery.
Nice to meet you, Les.
Nice to meet you. When you look at what GoFleet does for us, we've got GPS systems on our trucks. It allows us to track our equipment, know where our equipment is. The transportation department, they use it a little bit different because they track trucks moving all day long. We had an incident a couple of years ago. A truck was out at Snow Valley. An ice storm came along and he lost control of his truck and ended up in a ditch. And because of the reaction of our dispatcher, he noticed by the GPS that he hadn't moved for a couple of hours. Oh. He called the OPP. The OPP arrived and he was pinned in the truck. And it was through the GPS that's how he was located.
So safe to say, right? GPS saves lives.
Yeah. So that's an interesting story.